What is up, folks? It's your man Jay, and I am back with another one. Getting stuff in for the MacBook Pro has been exciting. So this time, ZeroLemon has decided to take care of me on this video. They sent this out. I didn't pay for it, so they got to make that disclaimer. They sent it out for review. I appreciate them doing so. This is their new 75-watt charger. So the factory, the one that comes in the box for the MacBook Pro 15-inch, in my unboxing video, I think I labeled it as 81 watts. It's actually 87 watts. So my apologies for that misinformation. But this one right here is unique in its own. It's unique in its own because, as you can see here, I did an unboxing of a different charger for the MacBook, but it requires you to use your plug. And that's the good thing about this one. I don't have to. This one has pretty much the same setup. And I get an 18 watt down here and a 60 watt up here, which is really nice. So I'll be plugging in up here, just because I want to use this one instead of the one that comes with the actual laptop. Here are the official specs there. So 87 watts for the one that power brick that comes with it, and this one is rated up to 75, and I'll be plugging in through that 60 right there with the Type-C cable. So this is the plug that comes with it. And you get a pretty lengthy size cable. It's actually pretty nice. I like that it's simple because I do have a plug that I use right now, and I'll show it to you. This is what the current plug looks like that I use. But as you can see here, it just has one out, and it looks like a little Mac. It looks like a little Mac computer. Remember those? Yeah, it's pretty cool. So I have lots of accessories for the Mac already, and I'll be switching to this one though because it has these extra ports right here, and I think that's pretty cool. So no big demos or anything coming. Just wanted to share this with you. It's a charger. That's pretty much it. It's a nice charger, folks. So there it is, man. It's your man Jay. Very nice from ZeroLemon. Let me plug it up real quick. I guess I can do that. The charger that goes with this one is a quick release, and the cable is Type-C. And you see how it just magnetically steps on? I guess I can go ahead and use this cable. I don't know why I unplugged it, but this will plug in right here. And let me go up and unplug this other one. And plug this one up. And then, well, it's got a little blue power light right there. I don't know if you can see it. And we'll plug it in here. And you can hear it powered up the Mac. So that's something that I think is really nice. And I'm gonna use this quick release on here. I think that's pretty cool. Yeah. But there you have it, folks. New charging brick from ZeroLemon. Actually pretty cool. And then I can still keep using my breakaway cable there for it. So once again, shout out to ZeroLemon for hooking up this product for review. I appreciate it. All the things in this video are my own. People are starting to do that disclaimer now. When they do videos of things that were sent out to them for free or no charge to them, they're like, all the opinions are my own. No one's viewing this video prior to me recording it. That's been the case on my channel, period. So I don't know. Anyway, it's man Jay. ZeroLemon. That is so nice.